of this real estate house, if you can say. It's an Airbnb, and we were hired to be the photographers and the videographers for it. So if you know a friend or somebody who is selling a house or something and they need somebody to photograph it, you know who to call, because we are right here, baby. Our work is quality and we improve every single day, so you are guaranteed quality stuff. Okay, period.
Please subscribe there. You know,
This victim confession